In this video, I'll show you how to calculate margin interest on Robinhood step by step. If you're using margin investing, it's important to understand how interest charges work so you can better manage your borrowing costs. Start by opening the Robinhood app and signing in to your account. Tap your profile icon, then go to Investing and open the Margin Investing section. Here, you can view your current margin balance, available buying power, and other account details. Next, check the current margin interest rate listed for your account. To estimate your interest cost, multiply your average borrowed margin balance by the annual interest rate, then divide the result by 365 to get the approximate daily interest. Multiply the daily amount by the number of days you expect to carry the balance to estimate your total interest charges. Keep in mind that your actual interest may vary if your margin balance changes or if Robinhood updates its margin rates. You can also review your account statements or transaction history to see any margin interest that has already been charged to your account. Monitoring your borrowed balance regularly can help you reduce unnecessary interest costs and better manage your investments. If you have questions about your margin charges or account activity, visit the Help section in the app and contact Robinhood support for assistance. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.